Did you know a 13-year-old king already knew he was dying when he took the throne and spent the next decade winning anyway? Baldwin IV was crowned king of Jerusalem in 1174. He had leprosy. He knew what that meant. Slow blindness, lost fingers, a body that would fail him piece by piece. But at 16, with roughly 500 knights, he rode out to face Saladin and his 26,000 soldiers at Montcassard. He personally led the cavalry charge. Saladin's army collapsed. The greatest general of the age fled the field. It should have been impossible. And Baldwin was not done. As the disease took his sight, he kept ruling. As it took his hands, he kept commanding. When he could no longer ride a horse, he directed his armies from a carried litter. He never had the option of pretending he had more time, so he used every single day he had. Baldwin died at 24, but in that short reign, he never once lost Jerusalem.